Military personnel of A-103 Battalion Rapid Action Force (CRPF) caught trying to burn down the beef shop at New Chakon suspended. Quarrymen vendors agitate against separate administrations in Manipur and demand strong action upon Kuki militants for breaking suspension of Operation Ground Rules. Peace and Relief Committee Singzamai constituency volunteers and locals stormed Mohd Minister Y. Khamchand's Singzamai residence, demanding a stance in wake of prevailing turmoil. And Aam Aadmi Party Manipur unit condemns Amit Shah's remark which allegedly attributed Manipur riot to High Court's directive on ST status demand for Meitei community.